my woods look a little empty. This is strange. I don't ever remember my woods being this nice and tidy. Whoa, wait a minute. What is that? Is that a cut up tree? The cut up tree that I had laid purposely across this path to keep people from using quads across it.
Suzanne's gonna hold the tension on this side.
Did you know there's a car driving right back here?
Yeah, that's probably the one that's going back into our woods.
Is he? He is. Oh my gosh, you're right.
Let's go get him.
Oh my gosh, he just did. Let's do it. I got camera intel. Alright guys, we're about to catch the trespassers. Alright, the trespassers just came back onto our property, no doubt to get more wood. So we just came back here and we saw their cars drive by, so we're going to go question them.
I appreciate not coming on about wood.
Just tell them if they want some wood, you'd be happy to send them a bill.
Well, that's what Jason said.
That's what I say.
Jason was like, hey,
you take as much
wood, that's fine. Just tell them that they can lease the field to you then.
Right back here? I'm not even back here. So the guy is back there in the woods, and Eric's actually walking all the way over there to talk to the guy. I would have honestly waited for him to drive through here, but while he's over there talking, we'll just go look at some of these tire tracks. Honestly, I was kind of wondering if they'd be back here today to get firewood, and the guy just rolled right in like no big deal. I wasn't even going to bring the camera today, but while we were out there talking, I happened to see the car drive right past here, and I'm like, I'm pretty sure there's no roads back there. I'm not even sure how he accessed it back here. Doesn't look like he drove through there. I mean, you can see the indentation in the ground. Well, there's obviously tire tracks, and they've been coming through here a lot. Yeah, he didn't take this path through, so he must have drove down through there. I don't see any actual road. So, again, I personally would have waited for them to come back this direction to flag them down. I wouldn't have bothered with going out their property. But we'll see what happens. I don't hear anything, guys. Pretty quiet over there. I can't even really see them from here either, otherwise I'd zoom in. But it's some sort of tannish, whitish, goldish colored SUV, small SUV, and just whipped right on back here. I mean, it was going fast. Almost like it was going up someone's driveway. Eric's over there talking for quite a while. I'm almost wondering if maybe the guy that's over there is the same guy that shot the deer and went running through our property looking for it. But listen. don't know. We do like to be neighborly. We like to talk to our neighbors. We do like to make friends. We don't like to make enemies. So this was pretty disheartening to see how everything had been cleared out. I mean, you can see this whole area has been cut for a trail through here. All the way down and up to there. For what purpose? I don't know. Honestly, it almost looks like it goes further on down now that I'm looking at it. Look at that. Doesn't it look like it continues on back that way? Almost like they're using this as their trail for something. So let's see if we can see any tire tracks. I mean, it's pretty darn wet back here. I'd be surprised if they were taking anything back here. You can almost see the faint outline of tracks, though, coming through here. Oh, it looks like a white SUV. However, if they're pulling wood out of here, which they could have been pulling wood out of this whole area, all they'd have to do is park right here and haul it over. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like Erik's coming back. It looked like there was actually a second SUV. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a darker one a little bit further back. Alright guys, go ahead and click pause on this video. Put your comments down below what you think the story is going to be on this one. Ready? Pause.
What are you standing back here for?
Well, if only one of it's shot, then the other one can at least run and hide somewhere.
So yeah, the one guy admitted he did cut that tree.
Why were they coming back here on our property?
He doesn't live here. He kind of...
Okay.
This is the old guy that owns the property, gets it logged off every so often.
So it was the old guy that just drove back there?
No, it was the guy that's with him. And he cut it up and he's like, oh crap, I didn't realize this, I wasn't on the property.
Well, it kind of looks like they've been clearing a lot of stuff out of here, though.
But I let him know. This man patrols it pretty good back here. He's like, oh, we got enough of our own to cut up. I didn't realize. But then the guy that owns this is like, yeah, it's marked off really good. I know where all the property lines are.
Yeah.
But it was the guy that didn't live here. I don't know. I think he saw it was a nice fresh tree and ooh, that looks like a good one. I mean, it's pretty close, but it's still.
Yeah, did you ask him about the whole wood chipper thing?
Well, I told him I seen fresh wood chips out here.
Yeah, what do you say about that?
I don't know. I think I just caught him off guard, honestly. You know, they might not like, well, if we just take a couple, they'll never notice.
You think? Did he seem like he was fumbling around, or was he genuinely shocked? Was he kind of like,
Yeah, the one dude, like, he was like, yeah. But the old man was like, no, I know where the property line is. And then the other dude was like, oh, yeah, I think I did.
So it's his tree logger that came back here and...
No.
Just a buddy of his? Alright.
Well, now at least they know that we're watching the property, so.
Right. And honestly, if you have somebody cutting up on your property, you mark out where the property line is.
Okay,
you say,
now.
Look. You say, hey,
now
this
you
is
confront
the property.
them and say, hey, so if it happens after this, then there might be a problem.
Right.
This is just a friendly warning right now, you know. Friendly warning, hey, got the property.
All right, well, back to maple syrup lines.